Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Boy, what a winter wonderland it is outside this morning. As expected, this was the big one for the winter. Our biggest snowstorm in most of the valley in a little over 5 years. It's been since December of 2010 since we've had a storm that has reached this kind of magnitude. Here was our snow map, our final snow map that we issued last evening around 9:30 or so, I believe. And this ended up verifying pretty well in a lot of places. It was probably still underdone in this zone to the south and east of our 8 to 12 area. A lot of these places got 8 to 12 as well. We told you all day yesterday that we would have to make adjustments to the snow map as new information became available, as the storm began to show its hand a little bit on a video like this and on my blog. I didn't say the Weather Channel forecast was wrong. I said I don't have time to comment on others' forecasts. I'm trying my hardest to get our forecast right. And the Weather Channel forecast of 8 to 12 worked out pretty well. So good for them. They're going to be wrong some days. They're going to be right some days, just like all other sources of weather information. Our goal is to be right more often than those other sources, and I think our record shows that that is indeed the case. Nonetheless, here's a look outside at 9:05 a.m. in Niles. Snow covered 422. Traffic circle in Columbiana is snowy and slushy, although it looks like the plows have done a pretty good job through there. The main driving areas don't look all that bad. Similar scene in Boardman. Of course, this is a major thoroughfare, 224 Market Street. Of course, the plows have been out all night. With temperatures around 30 to 32, salt is very effective. It's a lot different than last week when it was in the teens or even single digits. Salt has a very hard time working when it's that cold. They have to use other solutions and other things to help get rid of the snow, but salt is very effective when it is this warm outside. Here's a look at the radar. The snow is letting up. I'm looking outside here in Boardman. It's not doing much more than flurrying right now. We're just about done in our viewing area with the accumulating snow. It's going to spit snow for a while longer, but it's not going to probably amount to a whole lot. Some of these snow reports are a few hours old now. A couple of hours ago, they reported 7 inches in Salem. I've seen some pictures of 9 or 10 in Salem. Canfield about 7. Again, probably realistically more like 8 or 9 in most of the 224 corridor. Up towards the airport, 6.4 inches reported at 7 a.m. I'm sure we've added to that since then. Newton Falls 7.6, and over in Mercer 9 inches. So a healthy snowstorm. We're going to spend today cleaning up. This afternoon, temperatures will be around 35 degrees, so the road crews will get chances to really catch up in a hurry today with the snow letting up and with the temperatures helping us out. And if you saw my 7-day forecast or Jess's this morning, we're talking lower 50s by the start of the weekend. So a lot of this is going to be melting away over the next several days, leaving us with a lot of puddles and mud. That's not exactly my favorite thing, but I will be glad at least to be able to hopefully find my car out in my driveway eventually. All right, stay safe out there today. Enjoy it if you have the day off. Enjoy a pretty healthy dumping of snow across the Mahoning Valley. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11.